So hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In the last video, we learned about how the selection sort algorithm works. So in this video, we will see how we can implement the selection sort algorithm. So if you have not watched the video how selection sort algorithm works, so please first go and watch the video how it actually works. I will give the link of the video in the description as well as at the top right corner at the I button. So first please go and watch the video and then come to watch the implementation of this selection sort algorithm. So I hope you all have watched the video there. So now here we have three important functions here. The first one is to swap, because during the explanation you would have seen that we have to swap the values multiple number of times. So here we have created a swap function using pointers. Then we have the selection sort function here, and here we have another function as print array, which will be printing the entire array. That's it. So let's start the program here. Here inside the main we have this array with the same set of elements 5, 10, 3, 8, 4 and 2. Then here we are finding the size int n equal to size of ARR divided by size of ARR 0. Then here first we are printing the entire array using the print array function. Let's go and check the print array function here. So it is nothing but just a for loop. It will be starting from the index 0 till n is the length of the array or the size of the array. And then at every iteration it is printing all the elements from the first till the last, and that's it. Now let's go back. Then we have called the selection sort function. After calling the selection sort function, we are printing the entire array again in the same way how we printed it before sorting it. So now here is the selection sort function here. So now, as I said, we have to start from the first element and we have to go till the second last element. So as we have written I less than n minus 1, so it will be only going from I equal to, so it will be going from I equal to 0 to n minus 2, whatever be the size of the array here. So as I mentioned before, we'll have a minimum index variable which will be storing the index of the element whichever is being pointed out by I at every iteration. Okay. Then we have another looping statement, and as I said, it will start from I plus 1 and it will be going till the last. Okay, so j equal to I plus 1. If the value for I is equal to 0, so j will be starting from 1, because we have to find the minimum value there. Again, if the value of I is, let's say, 3, so the value for j, it will be starting from 4 to look for the minimum element. And every time we have to check if ARR of j is less than ARR of minimum index, then that minimum index variable will be changed to j every time. And whenever it is changed, we are calling the swap function here, and inside the swap function we are not passing the values, but we are passing the address of the element which is being pointed out by the minimum index, and then we are also passing the address of the element which is being pointed out by the variable I here. So whenever we are calling this swap function, let's see here, this is the swap function which takes two pointer variables which is going to take the addresses of both the values, and it will be swapping the values here. We have missed out of writing a statement here. We should write the return statement at the end of each and every function, whatever be the function here. Okay, and it is done. I can see that here also we have not written, so write the return statement here and it is done. Here also we don't have, so return, done. So this is how actually it is going to work. First we are printing the elements, then we are calling the selection sort algorithm, then we are printing the entire array again. So let's execute the program and see how it works. So here we can see First we had the elements 5, 10, 3, 8, 4 and 2, and after sorting it is perfectly sorted as 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and 10. Let's try by inserting some more elements here. If we just remove this, add some elements, so these are the elements here. Let's execute them. So here you can see we had these elements, and after sorting they are perfectly, and after using the selection sort algorithm we have everything sorted here in the perfect way. So this is it for today's video. So if you have not understood anything, please watch the video once again, and even then if you have any doubts, please give us a comment in the comment section. We will definitely look into it. And if you have liked the video, please press the like button, and to get our updates, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever we upload a new video. Thank you very much. Keep learning.